This is deliverable 1-3, retirement tool prototype by Cadet Freeney and Cadet Ross.
Alright, so here we have the user interface. We let the user input their basic information. You have their rank, their years of service, their location of their duty station, and their years of civilian work. We also have the special pay parameters if they choose to do special duty in the military world. So they can use their years of sea duty, years of overseas, medical special pay, GI Bill if they choose to go to undergrad school. We also have the civilian parameters as far as the civilian occupation and cut it. Here you also have the option of your occupation investment through TSP. You can choose from either 0.01% to 0.05%, as you can see here. Down in these blue and yellow cells, we have data calculations using the inputs provided in these basic information cells. Here you have the yearly base pay. This calculation is based on your rank and years of service. So as you can see here, the user inputs E6 for 10 years. We can go to the pay scale table and look up the value for that. So they said E6, 10 years, you should have the value of $3,303. Stop. So as you can see here, the user inputs E6 with the years of service equaling 10. So that gives us the value of $3,303.30. If you go to the user interface, if you multiply that value by 12, you get the numbers here, which is $39,639.60. Also, we have the calculations given using the VLOOKUP function for the special pay cells. So, for example, if we wanted to do medical special pay, we'll go to the medical special pay table. Again, he typed in E6 with 10. And here at the bottom of our screen, we have the MPV calculations. These calculations are provided by the MPV table and all the calculations that go into that.
Go.
Here we have our NPV sheet, which calculates our career NPV, our old retirement NPV value, and our new retirement NPV value for comparison. Our sheet here, our system takes the rank inputted to the user interface and dynamically projects the promotions the soldier is expected to have. It does this by utilizing this promotion table along with the VLOOKUP function.
Right here, so when we calculate the NPV, the total NPV of 1 year of service, we take into account the base pay, the BAH, the COLA, special pay, which is calculated by adding all of the special pays given in the user interface, and the healthcare. We assumed that the BAH and the COLA was with dependents. We made this assumption just because people in the military, if you have military service, you most likely will have kids or a wife. So as we move on to the calculated military NPV, strictly military career NPV, through the old retirement system, we calculated this value here. We got that by adding the number of years of service all the way up to 20, plus the pension of the old retirement system by adding the amount of money of the last base pay that the soldier received. We multiply that by 0.5. We took that into account of the old retirement pension system, added up to 20 years. The new retirement system calculates the same way the old retirement system does, only this time we take into account the TSP given during the user interface. This gives us a lower number than the old retirement system gives us. Also here we have the civilian career total MPV. We get this number by prompting the user to put in the number of years of civilian work they might work. Also taking into account the occupation that they put in right here. You can go through and click numerous occupations. So that's how we take into account the civilian MPV. Then here we have the civilian military mix MPV with the old retirement system and new retirement system.